Oh, Trevor, I swear to God, I just had a huge one on it. Snapped my line. What's up, guys, and welcome back to a brand new goddamn airplane. What's up, guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of McGrath Fishing. We are out here on a new lake today. I'm with my buddy Trevor, T-Dog Outdoors. Today's gonna be pretty special because we are not going for bass. I'm not going for smallmouth. We are going for the elusive northern pike, the wolf of the weeds. So this lake is primarily known for big northern pike. I don't want to say that we're for sure gonna get a big one, but they are out here. My buddy fished this lake one time for 3 hours and he nailed 3 40+ inch pike. So I have a really good feeling about this today. It is 6:30. We are in central Wisconsin. So hopefully we can get on some. Tune in, guys. Hopefully it's a good one. Alrighty, guys, we made it. We were at spot number 1. We have a boat by us. Trevor's rigging up a huge topwater bait.
Big blow-ups, baby. It's the goal.
All right, you guys heard it. So we're going after that elusive 40-inch pike today. Alrighty, guys, so quick update. It is 7:25, and the problem we're having right now is the average depth of this lake is pretty much 4 or 5 feet. The deepest part is, I think, 10 to 11 feet. So we can't really find the weed edges yet. It's hard to find like that actual weed edge where we're supposed to be fishing because it's just such thick weeds. I mean, every cast, Trevor's throwing a big topwater lure and he's still pulling up weeds almost every cast. So we're trying to find that weed edge. Just got out here learning this new lake. We're feeling good about it though. Not even close to being done. Here we go. All right, guys, we're in a new body of water. We just got our butts kicked at that last lake. It's hot, the water temp is hot. It's gonna be tough going for these pikes. So we're gonna switch over, go for bass, and we also are gonna be in a pike spot, but we're on a new lake. I have fished this lake before. It was about 40 minutes away from our last lake. We're still in Wisconsin. Me and Trevor, we're gonna get it.
Go.
Here we go. I don't mean to rush you, but you gotta pick it up a little bit. Yo, this is a really nice fish.
Okay.
Put the net down in the water. I'm gonna bring it right to you. Hang on, hang on. Watch that net, he might turn. Yes, dude!
There we go, bro.
New lake, first cast. I would give this one a solid 2.5. We're gonna get a quick weigh on this. I'm sorry about the wind, but what a difference in the bite. We leave that one lake, we're like, all right, we're not gonna catch any pike. It's too shallow, it's too weedy of a lake. And here we go, the first cast. I nailed a nice largemouth. I said 2.5, 2 pounds, 7 ounces. And now it's saying 2 pounds, 6 ounces. So
nice.
2.5 pound bass. What a beauty. What an absolute beauty for the first fish of the day. Out here with T-Dog Outdoors.
Yeah, boy.
Go. Hello?
Yes, hi, how can I help you?
Are you guys by a lake?
We dispatched for that area. What's going on?
Is there any way, I left a very, very expensive camera and I'm about an hour and a half away. Is there any way you could possibly maybe send someone to see if it's still there before I drive back?
Hold on 1 second.
Well, guys, I just realized right after I just caught that 2.5 pound fish, when I went to get the underwater shot, I left my GoPro at the last launch.
Go behind me though, and make sure that I put the
I called the police department to see if they could go back and check because it's about an hour drive from here. So hopefully they call me back, but I think we're just gonna go see if they have it and then come back. It's only noon, and if the fish are biting midday, I think coming back anyways and then finishing out the afternoon bite would be the smart move, but I'm just really hoping they have it. It's a GoPro Hero 7. Definitely a huge mistake. What are you gonna do? All right, guys, I'm trying to hide from the wind. We literally have about 16 to 20 mile an hour winds. The trolling motor was coming out of the water when we were fishing this one spot. And good news, I got my GoPro from that launch. Thank God. That GoPro was there for 3 hours and I went back and got it. So maybe people thought the DNR put it there, or it was like kind of set up because it was right at the launch. But we are in a new spot. We're kind of hiding behind a point. So there's a point that comes out and there's a bunch of piers here. So we're sitting in about 15 feet of water. We're gonna fish the edge of these weeds, see if we can get some bass. It's a more calm spot. We're back. We're gonna finish it out for the afternoon bite. We got nothing to do. This video has been very chaotic, but hopefully it turns out good. Here we go. Yo, net. Guys, I'm hooked onto a really nice one. All right, get the net down in the water. Watch out, watch out, watch the net. Coming to you, coming to you. Put the net in.
Here we go, bro.
2 pounds, 15 ounces.
Nice.
All right, guys, I'm sorry about the wind. I just hit my second fish. It's 3:24 p.m. He's a feisty one. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful largemouth. This weight, I just weighed it right before I put this in the live well. 2 pounds, 15 ounces, so almost a 3 pound largemouth. And this is a beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh man, the bite has been slow. I lost my GoPro today, and this pig's making up for it. We're gonna get a quick pick. Here we go, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna get this guy back in the water. Hang on a sec, my hat fell in.
You got my one. Wait, hold up.
Hang on, I gotta go, but look, Trevor just caught he just caught the catch of the day. Look at that, the follow the action hat. Look at that hook set. Oh, Trevor, I swear to God, I just had a huge one on it, snapped my line. Guys, I just had a huge hit. Trevor's hooked on.
There we go, bro.
Hell yeah.
We're getting him.
Trevor just caught his first of the day.
Nice little chunker here.
I'd give that at least 2 pounds, possibly pushing 2.5.
Yeah, that's fair. Get a quick picture with it, and then we'll release this guy.
Yo, I got it, I got it. Guys, this is insane. Mid-hit, I got one from that. I can't let that guy see. Put the net in the water. It's not that big, I just don't want to lose it.
Here we go, another one.
Alright guys, this is the 4th of the day. A little bit of chunk. Here we go. Yo, this is nuts. Alright guys, the 5th of the day, and she's a beaut. I'm gonna give this easily 2.5. 2.5, 2 3/4. Another good fish. Trevor doubled up. I'm putting this one in the live well. Guys, we are doubled up.
There we go, bro.
Guys, we are doubled up. Beautiful. 2 2.5 pounders. Trevor's might be a 3 3.5. Beautiful fish. These guys are right next to us. Oh man.
We're at another level.
We are slaying right now. Oh my God.
This is a big one.
Holy shit. You're sure, Dre? Guys, Trevor is hooked onto a huge one right now. This sounded like a pike when I said that was a pike.
It's actually a decent pike. There we go.
Trevor with a decent pike. We went after pike all morning and got one at 4:11 p.m. Nice pike. We're gonna get a good release. We're gonna get an underwater release. Here we go. All these fish that have been caught today have been on the follow the action Ned rig. Green pumpkin, purple great flake, coming soon. £3 pounds, 6 ounces, going back in the drink. All right guys, I gotta hide behind the little windshield thing to try and block the wind, but we are absolutely slaying it out here. Me and Trevor, I don't even know how many bass we have. Trevor caught a pike as well, and I just caught that 3 pound, 6 ounce largemouth. What a day. Lost my GoPro, came back midday. The wind has been like 15 to 20 miles an hour all day long, and we are slaying these bass. This is unbelievable. Shout out to Follow the Action for making this happen. Wouldn't be able to go out on a Monday, go do some fishing, filming for you guys if it wasn't for Follow the Action. So thank you guys so much. Here we go. Stay tuned. We are not done yet. Afternoon bites just getting started. Another decent fish, back to back. I just nailed a little one, and then I got this one. Thought it was a little smaller, but another good fish. We are slaying it out here. This is unreal. You know, maybe it's to Follow the Action gear because me and Trevor have turned the switch on. Here we go. We are going to one of the last and final spots of the night. It is 5:46. We probably have close to 20 largemouth, big largemouth, the average being 2.5, 3 pounds. So we're going to the last and final spot. Let's see if we can get a few more to end the night. Here we go. All right, guys, I'm sorry about the wind. We are literally in gale force winds, but Trevor just caught a nice walleye. I'd give that one about 17 inches.
Beautiful fish, can't complain.
Bass fishing, caught it on the Follow the Action Ned. Today has been a turnaround of the century.
Yes, sir.
Nice job.
Thank you.
That'll do it for another episode of McGrath Fishing. Today was unreal. I mean, we had an awesome day fishing. I almost lost my GoPro Hero 7. We went back to the launch 3 hours later, got it, got back out here and had an absolute slay fest. We caught so many good fish. It was unbelievable. I'm so happy we came back out, finished out the day strong, stayed positive, and had a fun time out here. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you next week.